Jatara Parivrittasana. Lie down in Shavasana and stretch both arms out on the respective sides to make a cross-like figure. Breathe in and lift your right leg up towards the sky as in the Ekapada Uttanapada Asana. Breathe out and slowly lower your right leg over your body until the right foot is on the left hand. Breathe in and turn your head to the right. Breathe out and bring your head back to the center. Breathe in and lift your right leg back to the original position. Breathe out and lower the leg back down to the ground. Relax for a few seconds. Repeat the practice 2 more times. To perform the opposite side, breathe in and lift your left leg up towards the sky. Breathe out and slowly lower your left leg over your body until the left foot is on the right hand. Breathe in and turn your head to the left. Breathe out and bring your head back to the center. Breathe in and lift your left leg back to the original position. Breathe out and lower the leg back down to the ground. Repeat the practice 2 more times. Please note that those who have back problems should not do straight leg lifting and should do it with bent knee instead to avoid increasing the strain on the back. Once you have completed the practice on both sides, bring your hands back to the sides and relax in Shavasana for some time.
Turn over and lie in a face-prone posture known as Unmukha Asana. Stretch your arms out in front of you. Take in a deep breath and exhale with a whooshing out of the breath. Hold out the breath and start rocking on your abdomen by lifting the upper part of the body in alternation with the lower part to produce a seesaw effect. Continue this rocking on the stomach action as long as possible. After a few rounds of this practice, relax back onto the ground with your head turned to one side. Enjoy the fresh flow of blood into the abdominal area, producing healthy digestion and good health. Pavan Mukta Kriya. Lie down in Shavasana. To perform the Ekapada Pavan Mukta Kriya, bend and lift your right knee while breathing in and simultaneously lift your head off the ground. Try to touch your knee to your forehead and then blast out the breath and rapidly return to the supine position. Repeat at least 2 more times to complete a set of 3 rounds of this practice. Relax a few seconds and then perform the practice 3 times on the left side. Pavan Mukta Kriya helps to prevent and relieve gas troubles and abdominal problems such as indigestion and constipation. The Pavan Mukta Kriya is also helpful for those suffering diabetes and liver disorders. Relax in Shavasana for a few minutes with deep and rhythmic breathing. To perform Dvipada Pavan Mukta Kriya, bend and lift both your knees while breathing in. Bring them as close to your forehead as possible while simultaneously raising your head to meet the knees. Blast out the breath, rapidly coming back to the supine position. Repeat this 2 more times to complete a set of 3 rounds at each session. Relax in Shavasana for a few minutes with deep and rhythmic breathing while concentrating on your abdominal area.
Dvipada Uttanpadasana. From Shavasana, lift both legs up towards the sky on the in-breath. Try not to bend the knees if possible. On the out-breath, lower the legs back to the ground. Use a breath cycle of in and out for a count of 6 or 8. Repeat this 2 more times. And then relax in Shavasana with deep breathing. Those who have back problems should not do straight leg lifting and should do it with bent knees instead to avoid increasing the strain on the back. Navasana. Lie down in Shavasana with your arms by your sides. While breathing in, slowly come up to the Uttanasana. Hold in the breath and raise both feet off the ground until the toes are in line with the nose. This is the Navasana, the boat posture. The hands are placed alongside the legs for maximum benefit. On an outgoing breath, slowly lower the feet to the ground and recline back, allowing each vertebra of the spine to return to the ground as though the treads of a caterpillar tractor. After a short relaxation, repeat the practice 2 more times. The abdominal and thigh muscles are toned up in a healthy manner by the regular practice of Navasana. A massive supply of blood is also sent down into the pelvic area by the healthy tension of holding this posture. Lie down in Shavasana and relax for some time with deep breathing.